The next universal gate is the NOR gate. As the name suggests, your NOR gate is nothing but your OR gate and an inverter. The symbol for the NOR gate is the OR gate and an inverter, A, B, and F. So if we can take the truth table for the NOR gate, so if you have A, B, so F with the OR gate and F with the NOR gate, have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For the OR gate, if at least one of the inputs is a 1, your output is a 1. So these three cases will give you the output as 1, and this will give it a 0. The NOR gate is the flipped version of the OR gate. So that's going to be 1, 0, 0, 0. Similar to the NAND gate, your NOR gate is also the universal gate because you can create an OR gate, an inverter, and an AND gate using a NOR gate. You can see that the output equation for the NOR gate is nothing but A or B whole prime. Let us see how we can create an inverter using NOR gate. Again, the logic is the same. You know that for an inverter, F is equals naught of A, or you can write this as F is equals naught of A plus A, or A, which is nothing but naught of A. So to create the inverter, it's going to be the similar logic as to your NAND gate. You take the input A, split it up into two more, use the NOR gate, and that's F. And here F equals A or A whole bar, which is equals A bar. So that's the inverter. Next, let us create the OR gate using NOR gate. So the technique is pretty similar to the one we have used for creating an AND gate using NAND gates. So first you have two inputs A, B, feed them into an NOR gate. So here the expression would be A or B whole prime, and then use an inverter. So for the inverter, we can use another NOR gate, F, which is equals A plus B. So that's the technique to create an OR gate using a NOR gate, or using two NOR gates. The third is creating AND gate using NOR gate. We know that for an AND gate, your F is equals A and B. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a double prime and then absorb one of it using De Morgan's. So that's A prime or B prime whole prime. We know how to create an inverter using NOR, so we can create A prime. Similarly, we can create B prime, and then finally use a NOR gate to realize the whole equation. So you have A, split it up, use a NOR gate, that will give you A prime. Have B, split it up, use a NOR gate, that's B prime, and then finally use another NOR gate, F, which is nothing but A prime or B prime, the whole prime, which is A and B. So you can use De Morgan's to absorb it and you get A and B. So this is a technique to create an AND gate using a NOR gate.